looking fly.
Ooh, yeah.
But there's a little dent catching my eye. No need to spray, no need to stress. Head to the Dent Centre, they're simply the best. Keep your factory paint intact, that's the move. They smooth out the dents, got the flawless groove. He's the best and that's a fact, no need to doubt. The Dent Centre, baby, smoothing it out. He works that magic, the tool's so fine. In his hands your car will shine. From Barnsley streets to highways wide, your car's looking sharp, all Dent set aside. Keep your factory paint intact, that's the move. They smooth